Hello everyone, and this is Lexi from Roam Lab, and today we are installing a Warn synthetic rope on our winch. This rope is light and incredibly strong, but not as durable as cable alternatives, so we have to be careful not to harm the rope while installing it. Let's get started. Before we can install the synthetic rope, we need a winch and winch mount. So we installed an aftermarket Warn Ascent front bumper and Zeon Winch. I already made videos about these steps, so you may want to give those a watch before continuing this video. Installing the synthetic rope is fairly straightforward. The rope attaches to the winch drum through a specially designed anchor pocket and secured with a rope puck. The result is a solid mount and smooth spooling surface, but it is a snug fit, so it will take some muscle and leverage to complete this project. First, we disconnect power to the winch. Second, slide the abrasive sleeve around the rope and down to the hook end. The abrasive sleeve only fits around the rope eyelet that attaches to the drum, so it's very important to do this before installing the rope. We may have forgotten to do that the first time around. Next, we feed the rope eyelet through the bumper opening and around the winch drum. With the rope eyelet pulled around the winch drum, thread installation wire through the eyelet and use the wire to feed the rope through the anchor pocket on the winch drum. Wrap the wire ends sticking through the anchor pocket around a set of pliers. Carefully use the pliers to pull the rope eyelet through the anchor pocket. We wound up also wrapping the wire around a broom handle for more leverage. When enough of the eyelet is pulled through to fit the rope puck, carefully unwind and remove the installation wire. The rope puck secures the eyelet in the winch drum. Insert it in the center of the rope eyelet with the lettering and notch facing up. Keep the puck centered in the rope eyelet and steadily pull the long end of the rope away from the winch drum. The puck will be fully seated when the rope does not stick out above the drum. This can take a lot of force. The last bit required some tug of war on our part. Once the puck is fully seated, we can reconnect the winch to the battery power. When we installed the winch in our last video, we left the fair lead off so that we could access the winch drum. Now that the rope is attached, we can go ahead and mount the fair lead with the nuts and bolts attached at the beginning of that earlier video. With the rope attached, we still have to spool the rope onto our winch. To ensure the rope will work and wear properly in the future, it is important that we spool the rope with the appropriate amount of tension. So our next post will break down our experience and lessons learned when spooling the rope. And there we go! I tried to keep this video simple, but you can find more written directions with pictures and extra annotations on our website, roamlab.com. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Roam Lab for future DIY truck camper renovation projects.